Oh, I'm your flower. I'm your Venus, your desire. You know that song? I'm your flower. No, these look too simple. Okay. So, today I'm going to be unboxing a gift that my baby girl bought me for Valentine's Day. As you can see right here, it's DIOR. And a big one, big box. And here's the other side. It has like kind of this metal star, and then kind of says DIOR on it. So they do pretty good packaging. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna undo the ribbon. I can remember how to do that. So, just like this. I guess I could tie this up like this for the video. Yep, that looks pretty good. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. Maybe you can tell by the size of the box that this is going to be either a bag or shoes, but this is shoes. So here, let me take this off. It looks kind of funny. Let's go ahead and open it. So for the shoes, I chose, here's a little sneak peek, the high top, because I wanted something. Normally I wear low tops, so I wanted something kind of different, and then that I could dress up and wear with nicer outfits. So I'm undoing the ribbon now. Okay, I do not remember how this was tied. That's not good. But let's get into the opening. Yep, it smells like DIOR. Pretty good. So first it comes with like this little bag, kinda, and inside there's some extra white shoelaces. And then, as you can see, at the top is also another bag. This one looks like just one. It comes with for the shoes, and then this is kind of like feels like rubber on the outside. So that's good in case I need to bring it somewhere. Alright, next let me go ahead and open this. It's kind of hard to do this. Let's see. And as you can see, I got the high tops. B23, this model. So this one I've always liked the way it looks, just it's so clean, and then it just kind of stands out. And you can either dress this up like with some slacks, nice outfit, or you can dress it down casually and just wear it anytime. But it's just a classic silhouette. Kind of looks like a Converse, pretty much. So on the bottom, if you notice, there's some like insects here, part of their logo. They always use that. And then this inside material is kind of see-through. So depending on the color of your sock, it can make it brighter or darker. And then over here, these panels are like, I guess like a type of plastic. and this material is really, they call it their technical fabric, so it's supposed to be pretty scratch resistant. Now one thing I did find out is that this plastic part, if you leave it in the sunlight, over time it can kind of turn yellowish. So if you're storing it, not wearing it, I would keep it somewhere away from sunlight for sure. And then I kind of like this part too. It gives it like a vintage vibe to it. But yeah, pretty straightforward. And then this pull tab, the best way to describe it, kind of like a rubber material. I'm sure if you wear like blue jeans though, this will probably turn bluish all around here too. So you gotta be careful about that, like your jeans bleeding onto the shoe. But this toe box area, it seems like really thick rubber. So hopefully over time, like with normal Converse, this would start coming apart by the thread, but hopefully the quality is good, and that I won't have to worry about that. Yep. So that's the size, or the shoe, and then the size inside. Let me take this out. Padding in here, and they put like a bunch inside of the shoe. It has the part where it says made in Italy, and then the information in size 42. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the right side. I'm going to go ahead and look at the other pair just to make sure there's no problems with the box, but here's the other pair. Yep. So another thing I noticed, this part, it's very detailed. You can kind of see every single triangle and different shapes. But yeah, you can tell that they really do good at checking the quality of these. The stitching is good. There's not really any defects that I can tell. But yeah, same thing. This one comes with the sticker on the bottom. I know this is white, so it's probably going to get dirty quickly, but I'll just have to make sure. This seems pretty easy to clean. The biggest thing I'm worried about is scratching, like this part, because it seems like it would get scratched. And if that happens, if you were to scratch it, maybe it would be hard to fix it. So I just got to be careful with that. But yeah, that's the shoe. In Korea, it's around 160,000won, so I'm not sure how much American money, but definitely a clean shoe. I'm gonna be wearing these with a lot of different outfits. But oh, in this angle, you can kind of tell this is like a little bit translucent. So if I put my hand in here, you can see through it. So depending on your sock, it'll change the look of it. But yeah, that's it for the shoes. Let me see, anything else in here? They gave this. It seems like it's just receipt information and warranty. It mentions that you have up to 30 days to exchange it, or 7 days for like a full refund. But I don't think I'm going to be getting a refund. I was sure about these. Alright, you guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you, baby girl, for getting me these shoes. I wasn't expecting it. You knew I liked them, but thanks for surprising me on Valentine's Day. And I will be sure to treat these good. Okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. One part I did forget to mention is that inside of the shoe, there looks to be a pretty comfortable insole. I didn't loosen this up so I can show you guys. I don't know if if I can take this off. Let me see. Ah, it is pretty thick. So inside of the shoe, if you look inside, there's just like a cloth material and it's stitched all the way down. And then here's the insole, just like a fabric material at the top. It says DIOR, and then on the bottom you can see there's the logo. It's like rubber material, and yeah, this is pretty thick and it seems like it'll be comfortable. We'll have to see after wearing it. I just forgot to mention that, so I thought I'd show you. Alright, thanks.